Mia was a quiet girl. She liked reading books, drawing pictures, and playing with her best friend, Lucy. They had been friends since kindergarten. One day, a new girl joined their class. Her name was Hannah. She was tall and had curly brown hair. Hannah was shy. She sat alone at lunch and didn't talk much. Mia and Lucy watched her from their table. "She looks lonely," Lucy said. Mia nodded. "Maybe we should say hello." The next day, Mia and Lucy sat next to Hannah at lunch. "Hi, I'm Mia and this is Lucy," Mia said. Hannah looked up and smiled a little. "Hi. Do you want to sit with us?" Lucy asked. Hannah's smile grew bigger. "Okay." From that day, the three girls became friends. They played together at recess, shared snacks, and laughed a lot. But not everyone liked Hannah. There was a group of girls in their class who always wanted attention. Their leader was Olivia. She was popular and loved by many, but she was also mean to kids she didn't like. One day, Olivia and her friends saw Mia, Lucy, and Hannah sitting together. "Why are you sitting with her?" Olivia asked, pointing at Hannah. "She's weird." Mia felt her stomach twist. She didn't like how Olivia was talking, but she didn't know what to say. Lucy frowned. "She's our friend," she said. Olivia laughed. "You don't need her, you should sit with us instead." Mia looked at Lucy. Lucy looked at Mia. They didn't answer. Hannah stared at the table, her face red. After that day, Olivia and her friends started teasing Hannah. They whispered behind her back. They giggled when she walked by. Sometimes, they even took her things. Mia felt bad, but she was scared. Olivia was popular. Mia didn't want to become a target, too. One afternoon, the class had gym. The teacher asked everyone to pick a partner for a game. Mia turned to Hannah. But before they could pair up, Olivia stepped in. "You should be my partner, Mia," Olivia said with a sweet smile. Mia hesitated. She glanced at Hannah. Hannah looked down, pretending not to care. Okay," Mia whispered. Hannah ended up alone. Mia felt horrible, but she didn't know what to do. After gym class, Hannah walked to her locker. Olivia and her friends followed her. "Did you see that?" Olivia said loudly. "Even Mia didn't want to be your partner." Hannah's face turned red. She picked up her books quickly and walked away. Mia's heart pounded. She wanted to speak up, but fear held her back. That night, Mia couldn't sleep. She kept thinking about Hannah's sad face. She thought about how much fun they had before Olivia got involved. She remembered something her mom always said. True friends stand up for each other. Mia knew she had to do something. The next day, during lunch, Mia saw Olivia's group laughing. Hannah was sitting alone. Mia took a deep breath and walked toward Olivia's table. "Why are you so mean to Hannah?" Mia asked. Olivia smirked. "What are you talking about? You always whisper about her, you always laugh at her. It's not right." Olivia rolled her eyes. "So what? It's just a joke." "It's not funny," Mia said firmly. The cafeteria got quiet. People started looking at them. Mia's hands were shaking, but she kept going. "Hannah is kind, she is my friend, and I don't care if you don't like her," Mia said. "But I won't be your friend if you keep being mean." Olivia looked surprised. No one ever stood up to her before. Lucy suddenly stood up too. "Mia's right," she said. "We're not afraid of you, Olivia." More students started whispering. Some nodded in agreement. Olivia frowned. "Whatever," she said. "Let's go." She and her friends walked away. Mia turned to Hannah. "Come sit with us," she said. Hannah hesitated. "Are you sure?" Mia smiled. "Of course." Lucy grinned. "We're best friends, remember?" Hannah's eyes filled with happy tears. She picked up her tray and sat with them. After that day, Olivia didn't bother Hannah anymore. Other students started talking to Hannah, and she felt more comfortable. Mia felt proud. She had been scared, but standing up for her friend was the right thing to do. One afternoon, as they walked home, Hannah looked at Mia. "Thank you for standing up for me." Mia smiled. "That's what friends do." Lucy laughed. "And we'll always do it together." Hannah nodded. "Yes, we will." Mia felt warm inside. She had learned something important. Being brave isn't about not being scared. It's about doing the right thing, even when it's hard. And from that day, Mia promised herself she would always stand up for her friends.